Assalamualaikum everyone. These are the two questions of reasoning. The first question is, half of the villagers of a certain village have their own houses. What? Half of the village, a certain village has their own houses. One fifth of the village cultivate paddy. One third of the village are literate. Four fifth of the village are under 25 years of age. Which of the following is certainly correct? जो 101% लग रहा हो वही करेक्ट है, वही आंसर आएगा. अब ऑप्शंस बाद में देखते हैं, पहले हम क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा लेट्स ब्रेक इट डाउन. तो लेट्स सपोज दिस इज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अ विलेज. इसमें से हाफ, दिस हाफ ओन्स देयर ओन हाउस, ओन हाउसेस. समझ आया? ये एक विलेज है, ये विलेज का टोटल पॉपुलेशन है. So half of this village have their own houses. This is the diagram which represents half of them have own houses. इसके बाद let's take it and one fifth. So let's take one fifth. One, two, three, four, and five. So one fifth of this village cultivates paddy. Paddy. One fifth of the village cultivate paddy. अब जाते हैं हम this one third, one, two, and three. One third of the village are literate. These are the figures we have. Now the last one is one, two, three, four, and five. That means four fifth. That's almost this much. This much. Four fifth represents this. So four fifth of the village where of villagers are under 25. You're getting it? You're getting it? So these are the three figures you must keep in mind. So one half of the villagers own their houses, one fifth cultivate paddy, and one third are literate, and four fifths are under the age of 25. So now see this one half. This one half, whenever we know this is a one half, this is one half, that means one third is less than one half. We know one third is less than one half, and one fifth is less than one third. We know it, and we know that four fifth is greater than half. You can see the picture. You can clearly see the picture कि फोर फिफ्थ इज मोर देन वन हाफ. समझ आ गया आपको? सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. वन फिफ्थ इज लेस, वन थर्ड इज लेस देन वन, एंड फोर फिफ्थ इज मोर देन हाफ. So you can see here it's more than half. Four fifth is more than half. If you convert it into decimals, you will understand what I am trying to say. The values lie between 0 and 1, and the value of 4 by 5 is 0.8, the value of 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 3 is 0.3, and 1 by 5 is 0.2. So this is 0.2, this is 0.3, and this is 0.5, and this is 0.8. So you can easily see the which is greater. First of all, it says that all the villagers who have their own house are literate. देखो यहाँ पर लिटरेट है वन थर्ड. वन थर्ड लिटरेट कैन, ऑल द वन थर्ड कैन ओन द हाउस. ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी है वन थर्ड ऐसे होंगे जो हाउस ओन नहीं करेंगे, विच विल लाई इन दिस. अंडरस्टूड? एंड देर आर वन थर्ड जो आधे ओन हाउस करेंगे, आधे नहीं करेंगे. सो इट्स नॉट 101% ट्रू. All villagers and every whenever in UPSC there is an extreme condition like all only, these are almost wrong. Each and every time these are wrong because they show the extreme condition. Now let's go to the C. Only half of the villagers who cultivate paddy are literate. What amount of cultivate paddy? One fifth, isn't it? One fifth cultivate paddy. And how many are literate? One third. So इसमें क्या क्या so ये बोल रहे only half of the villagers who cultivate paddy are literate. Half means, if I say half means 1 by 10th. So 1 by 10th who cultivate paddy आर लिटरेट इट डजेंट गारंटी जो 1/10 होगा वो लिटरेट भी हो सकता है, वो सारे के सारे लिटरेट भी हो सकते हैं, वो नहीं भी हो सकते हैं लिटरेट. सो वी can't say about it. So only means extreme condition and cancel. No villager, again extreme condition. No villager under 25 of the age has their own house. देखो this condition is very important to understand. देखो इसमें लिखा है तो यहाँ पर जो जिनके पास अंडर 25, जो अंडर 25 नहीं है, दैट इज 1/5. दे आर नॉट अंडर 25, दे आर above 25 or they are 25. Got it? They are above 25 and 25. He says no villager under 25 age has his own house. So अगर हम ये कंसिडर करेंगे, इट्स मोर देन हाफ, it's more than half. So there is definite possibility that some, at least there might be houses मतलब मेरा मतलब ये बोलना है 4/5 is more than half if we consider कि uh, that means one fifth are not under 25. If we suppose this one fifth, all the one fifth villagers who are not under the age of 25 own houses, there still remains some some because half because we have half who own houses. If we subtract one fifth from them, it becomes 3/10. 3/10. So 3/10 still remain who own houses. 3/10 are those persons who own houses, houses, and are under 25. So no villager under 25 is wrong. So there are some, that's 3/10 of the villagers own houses and are under 25. So this condition also right. Now let's go to the B part. Some villagers under 25 of the age are literate. देखो, how many are literate? One third are literate. And how many own the houses? Half own the houses. Half only, sorry. One third are literate. And how many are under 25? It's 4/5. So if that means we know that one third is more than 1/5. So 1/5 are not under 25 age. So if we suppose all of them are literate, there still remains some who are under 25 and are literate. See how? If we consider 1/5, that is the that is they are not under 25 and they are literate. And now I suppose one third are literate. If I subtract, there still comes what? 2/15. 2/15 are those people who are under 25 under 25 and are literate. So if we take this condition, this is true. Even if we consider this condition, that 4/5 or 25, one third of all the one third are under 25, then this condition still holds. Some are still, some are of villagers under 25 are still literate. If I take this condition, I take one fifth are not under the and they are literate, still I have 2/5 means some amount who are under the age. So this certainly is true. So B part is true. Now let's go to the question number 6. J and Vijay spent an equal amount of money to buy some pens and a special pen of same quality from the same store. क्वालिटी भी सेम है, सेम स्टोर भी है, तो प्राइस सेम ऑलमोस्ट दोनों का रहेगा. If J brought 3 pens and 5 pencils, Vijay brought 2 pens and 7 pencils, then which of the following is correct? देखो, suppose they both have X amount of money, X money. So the equation forms that X is equal to, suppose the value of pen is P. So for J, this X amount would be spent in 5 pencils. P is the sorry, 3 pencils. 3 pencils plus 5 pencils, I will represent it by L. So 5 pencils, cost of pencil is, so cost of pen is P and cost of pencil is L. Got it? So 3P plus 5L is X amount. Similarly, if I equate, this is J's amount is split in this. J and V spent equal amount of money. I suppose that they had X amount of money. They spent this on pens and pencils. Similarly, Vijay spent how much? X amount in 2 pens and 7 pencils. Got it? Now I suppose I will take a random number. Suppose 100 is the amount of money they have. So he will buy 3 pens and 5 pencils, so that my answer will get more accurate. So 100 is equal to 2p plus 7l. Now if I equate this, make this equation, solve this equation, so this becomes 200, 300 is equal to 200, 2 3s are 6p plus 2 5s are 10l. Now 3 into 100 is 300 plus 3 2s are 6p plus 3 7s are 21l. Now if I subtract both, this will become 100 minus 100 is equal to 0 plus minus 11 L. So L is equal to 100 by 11. Now if I substitute this value in this first equation, in equation first, if I substitute L, if I substitute L is equal to 100 by 11, then my answer will be 100 is equal to 3p plus 5 into 100 by 11. So if I take it, it is 100 minus 500 by 11 is equal to 3p, and that is 1100 minus 500 divided by 11 is equal to 3p. So p is equal to 600 by 3 into 11. 3 2s are, so p is equal to 200 by 11. P is equal to 200 by 11 and L is equal to 100 by 11. So now we can understand cost of P is equal to 2L, twice L. If we multiply 2 here, we'll get 200 by 11. So cost of pen is twice L. So the option that will be correct is C part. A pencil costs more. That's not true, because we know that P is here. P is greater than L. This we know. And by these two equations we know that P is equal to 2L. Hence pencil costs more is wrong. Price of pencil is equal, that's wrong. The price of pen is 3 times, that's wrong. The only option is C part, that's correct. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you have enjoyed these videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.